Good morning, children. Welcome to the mathematics class. Today's topic is vertically opposite angles. Till now we have learned different types of angles, my children. Complementary angles. Let us revise it. Complementary angles, sum of the angles must be equal to 90 degrees. Supplementary angles, sum of the two angles must be equal to 180 degrees. Then we have learned about linear pair. Adjacent angles first. Adjacent angles, there one condition it should satisfy. It should have a common vertex and a common arm. Then fourth one we have learned about linear pair. In that linear pair, two conditions should satisfy. It should be a adjacent angles first of all, and then the sum of the two angles must be equal to 180 degrees. Then the given pair of the angles are nothing but linear pairs. Now today's new topic is vertically opposite angles. What is the definition, children? When two lines intersect, the angle that are formed opposite to each other at the point of intersection are called vertically opposite angles. What are, children? When two lines, this is your first line. So when two lines intersect, this is first line and the second line. When two lines, this is your line L, name of the line, and this is your line N. When two different lines, when intersect at a common point, common vertex point, when the angles are formed, this is first angle, second angle, one more angle, third, and one more angle. Four angles will form. So the angle form opposite to each other. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. If I am giving angle 1, name of the angles 1, 2, 3, 4. Then opposite to each other. The angle 1 and angle 3 are vertical opposite angles, and one more, angle 2 and angle 4. These are the vertically opposite angles, and they are equal. The vertically opposite angles are equal. One more thing you have to remember. When two different lines intersect at a common vertex point O, then the angles opposite is, when the angles form opposite to each other are called vertically opposite angles. And vertically opposite angles are equal angles. Okay, 1 is equal to 3, angle 1 is equal to angle 3, and angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Always remember, children. Next, come to the exercise 6, children. He is asking you, see the figure, children. Observe the figure. Name two pairs of opposite angles in the figure. Name two pairs of vertically opposite angles. This is your two. What are the two lines, children? AB, one line, and CD is the other line. L and N. This is your L. This is your N. Where the angles form here, this is your extra line. He is given the extra line, leave it off. This is the first angle. I am giving some name as, if I am giving the A, this is your, okay, if I am giving 1, don't get confused, 2, 3 and 4. So what are the vertically opposite angles, children? Pair of vertically opposite angles is asking. First pair, you have to go through it. AOC, this angle is equal to this angle. This whole side is equal to this whole side. So AOC, first pair, AOC is equal to BOD. That is, angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Now, angle 2 is equal to angle 4, or angle 4 is equal to angle 2. AOD, second pair, AOD is equal to angle 2. What is angle 2, children? COB. COB. Okay, this is your extra line. Don't think about this. Two lines, line L, line M. You think about line L and LM. Vertically opposite angles. 1 equal to 3, 2 is equal to 4. So instead of writing angle 1 is equal to angle 3, what is angle 1 here? Name of the angle AOC is equal to BOD. 1 is equal to 3 and 2 is equal to 4. AOD, or you can say BOC is equal to AOD. This is your first pair and the second pair. Coming to the question number 2, see children, find the measures of X, Y and Z is asking. Only one angle is given, that is 160 degrees. What are these angles, children? Vertically opposite angles. Why they are vertically opposite angles? Two lines are intersecting at a common vertex point. So angle Y is equal to Y is equal to 160 degrees and X is equal to Z. Why? Vertically opposite angles are equal. So from the figure, what did you observe, children? From figure, angle Y is equal to 160 degrees. Why they are? Write the condition here. Vertically opposite angle. One more, children. X is equal to Z. Angle X is equal to Z. They are also vertically opposite angles, you can say, isn't it? Now we got directly Y is equal to 160 degrees. This you can underline. Then from this you can find the other two angles also. Now here observe the figure, children. Just roughly I am showing you here. This. Can you observe? Leave this now. This is your Y and this is your Z. I am just removing this line, children. I am removing this line. So what is this? Linear pair. These are the linear pair. These lines are linear pair. This angle and this angle, because they have a common vertex and a common arm. Y plus Z is equal to, you know one condition, Y plus Z is equal to 180 degrees. Why they are? They are in linear pair. So already we have a Y value, children. Substitute Y here. 160 plus Z is equal to 180 degrees. Send this to that side, children. LHS to RHS, when it is moving, it becomes plus, becomes minus. Remember now? Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. So plus 160 becomes minus 160. So Z is equal to how much, children? 20 degrees. We got Z also. And one condition just now I said now, Z is equal to, what is equal to, children? Z is equal to X. Z is equal to X. They are vertically opposite angles. So when Z is equal to 20 degrees, automatically X has also become 20 degrees. So you got X value, you got Y value, you got Z value. Is it clear? One more time I am explaining, children. From the figure you observe that Y is equal to 160 degrees and Z is equal to X. Why? They are vertically opposite angles. And second condition is Y plus Z is equal to linear pair. Y plus Z is equal to 180 degrees. So directly we have a Y value 160 degrees. So I substituted in the place of Y as 160 degrees. 160 plus Z is equal to 180. So I am sending LHS to RHS. So plus 160 becomes minus 160. So Z we got it as 20 degrees. And one more thing, we remember that Z is equal to, already I explained you, Z is equal to X because they are in vertically opposite angles. So when Z is at 20 degrees, automatically X is also becomes 20 degrees because the vertically opposite angles are equal. Question number 3, children. Question number 3, see children, give some examples of vertically opposite angles in your surroundings. From your surroundings, you have to think about what are the things you observe they are in vertically opposite angles. So I'll give you 2 examples, children. Angles between the legs of the folding cot. Did you see, maybe you have observed folding cot, did you observe anywhere, children? In at home? I think many of you saw the folding chair, I think so. So angle between the legs of the folding chair is also vertically opposite angles. Angle between the legs of the scram cot is also, they also will form a vertically opposite angles. So I have explained you 3 examples. You can find many more and write down as a homework, children. Question number 3 I am giving as a homework. So complete your classwork, complete your homework and submit me on my personal window. Thank you.